India is one of the major onion producers in the world. Even though we produce huge quantities of onions every year, we fail to fulfill the demand of this star vegetable. Almost half of the onions get wasted during the post-harvesting activities. Though the domestic and international demand for onions is robust, but the price fluctuations are an issue for businesses as well as retail customers. Onion goes through various post-harvesting activities, but most of the losses occur in the storage phase, which is the most crucial and longest phase in onion life cycle. Losses such as rotting of onions and reduction in weight occurs due to poor traditional storage facilities. These traditional facilities lack proper ventilation and environment control, and the use of material like wood floorings do not improve storage conditions. And non-standard material in roof leads to temperature buildup, causing losses during storage. Optimum onion storage, as recommended by Directorate of Garlic and Onion Research, requires range of relative humidity between 65% to 70%, with the temperature ranging between 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. We have come up with just the right solution to all the issues in onion storage. Nestin and Innovent presents a revolutionary smart onion warehouse from the house of Tata Steel. Introducing Agronest, India's most innovative and first of its kind smart warehouse for onions. With smart and cutting-edge technology which helps agro-processors, traders, export houses and farmers to improve their profits. So, more smiles, less tears. It has enhanced the most innovative environment controlling facilities which will ensure fresh air for fresher onions. Agronest uses the best of Tata Steel's brands in its construction, which are made for a stronger tomorrow. With regular SMS updates, Agronest helps businesses in early detection of spoilage. Now let's take a look at our first installation, which came up in Vadner near Nasik, Maharashtra. The rolling shutters provided at entrance helps in easy movement of tractors for loading and unloading. PUF panels on the sides maintain the ambient temperature and provides insulation to the stored crop. The warehouse is divided into multiple compartments for optimum onion storage, with gates for easy loading and unloading. Agronest by Nestin, for a better life every day.